In this video, I will guide you how to add an image in PowerPoint as a background. So for this, you need to right click on the empty slide like this one and then go to the format background. On the right side, you will see that there is a fill option. You need to click on the picture or texture and now click on the insert and click from a file and insert the picture which you want to use as a background. For example, I am selecting this picture and click insert, and here you can see that the picture set as a background, and here you can use the transparency level to make it light or darker as per your request. You can play this, and if you apply this picture to the all of your slides, then you need to click on the apply to all, and now this picture will be applied to the all slides. For example, right click here and make a duplicate slide, and now you can see that this image is also apply on the second slide, and again make a duplicate slide, and again you can click even new slide. Whenever you create new slide, this image will be used as a background image.